Hey, this is Ben, and we just got the Levoit replacement HEPA filter. We're gonna see if we can get this installed today. It has instructions right here on the side of the box on how to do it, and we're gonna give this a try. Nice solid plastic. You can see the different layers, the outer layer and the inner layer, and then it looks like there is just a foam seal ring around here. All right, you can see here this red light indicates that the filter does need changed, so let's go ahead and get this filter in there. First I'll unplug it, remove the filter cover. Whoa, that's pretty dirty in there. I'm gonna take this out. Oh my goodness. Slide the new one in. Close it up, and that's all there is to it. Plug it in, turn it on. Then the final step to reset your filter timer is to just hold the filter button for 3 seconds and it'll go off. All set. Now the timer is reset for our new filter. The old filter, I just carefully put it back in the packaging that the new filter came in, and then we'll just get rid of that. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.